Here's a few things you need to know before you get started. Make sure you have necessary documents. SDC's International Shipping Logistics and Support Team will work with you and handle all the documents necessary to ship your household goods, clear U.S. customs, and clear customs in Spain, ensuring a smooth transition to your new residence in Spain. There are some restricted or prohibited items you need to know about. Attempting to ship a prohibited item into Spain can derail your plans, or worse. Keep in mind that some items are banned outright, while others may only be restricted and require private approval for import. Your SDC International Shipper will help you with specific information regarding what can, may, and cannot be shipped as part of your household goods being shipped to Spain. Here are a few restricted items. Food, specifically meat or meat products, milk and other dairy products. Plant products like flowers, fruits, vegetables, and some other plants. Protected species, these include things like ivory, tortoise shells, hunting trophies, and birds in the parrot family. Medication and cosmetics. Some may require a prescription or other certificate. Here are some banned items. Firearms and ammunition. This includes unapproved fireworks. Civilian and military use products, as well as counterfeit products and waste, including radioactive materials. Narcotics and psychological drugs, and some veterinary drugs. Endangered species and cultural property. Taking these into Spain is forbidden. Obscene or pornographic material. Also make sure you know how to pack and protect your household goods.